Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stabilize shaky videos in CapCut. So let's begin. So once you've accessed your CapCut application, click on import your video file and choose on that video you would like to work on. So I'm just going to select any file on my drive. So for example, this video, I'm going to click on the plus icon to add this in the main timeline. Make sure to select it. Okay. Then over here, video. Uh, Scroll down a bit so we can make sure we can emphasize this, and you will have the option which says stabilize. So just take note. As of now, this is actually a pro feature, but this is actually very helpful for shaky videos tremendously. Like, for example, I'm going to click on that or put a check mark. It will process the video right away, and there's actually a level. For example, recommended. That is how or the safest option on which will not compromise the video's quality. Minimum cut and most stable. So most likely you only need the recommended level. So once this hits 100, you can now play your video and test and see how much your video has improved. And you can uh, toggle on and off to see the difference. So that's it. That's how you can easily stabilize your videos using your CapCut. I hope you found this video very helpful.